Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And that is a 16 by 20 inch canvas with some Meeden paint, which is on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on my link tree. My link tree is under the video. It's the first blue link you'll find if you look. Under Show More, you'll find my email address underneath my link tree. Should you guys happen to be interested in seeing my channel survive, you might be interested also to know that there is an exhibition video every single month, a new one, from the previous month, and on it are the prizes for the monthly drawing. The monthly drawing is held on the first of the month. The prizes are usually paintings. Near the beginning of the year they can be calendar, a choice of a calendar or painting, and sometimes my books. My 2 books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I have an interest in doing a swipe today, and since this OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of, is on my Amazon link, and I'm almost done with it, and the paint is nice and wet, I think I'm just going to take some odd color. I'm going to try and break out of my usual. It's not that easy. So this is some Anita's White Metallic. I'm going to give myself a double dose of it, maybe a triple dose of it. And I never use Prussian blue, and there might be a reason for that, and we'll find out in a minute. I've got some purple to use up, assuming it'll come out. They seem like pretty dark colors to me. I want more paint out of there. Lumpy or not. Let's grab my tweezers. My tweezers are also on the Amazon link. They are a really good tool for getting everything except for a lump of glop. This paint's been sitting around for a couple days. We'll figure it out in a while. So I've got some Venetian blue from Modern Masters. And I'm not making any particular sense, I know, with my markings. I have just decided that I want some, that's in Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I've decided I want a little bit of the same thing with some orange in it, which is what this is. And I have some iridescent gold left over. It's not coming out. Come on. Not. Oh, come on. Okay, well that is what it is. So now it's time to find a card and get out, put the spatula in the bucket and use some Amsterdam black in my dish. Hopefully you can see that. And grab a favorite card with an angle on it. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Let's go with the long way. Well, the medium way anyway. I might want to put some silver in there. I'm thinking silver would be okay with me. Pretty colors, really nice. Now do I want to use the, I'm going to do the long way again. I'm just going to do it at a different place. That's good. I might want to tip this. I kind of want that paint right off that card to go on the end. This reminds me of something I did recently, actually, but I like that too. It had a lot more hot orchid in it. I meant to put some turquoise in here, and I didn't. Now I've got shorter cards should I want them. Come on, stop. Okay. It told me where it wanted to go by dribbling. If I want more paint, I'll add it. You can often double swipe whether you realize it or not. I want some more of this. And since it's sitting there, and I love, love, love seeing that purple in there, I just got to be careful not to grab any more of that glop. This is just a dioxazine purple from Hobby Lobby that I attempted to make some pre-stained wood conditioner into, which is what's in the Amsterdam Black I'm using to create cell conditioner, cell accelerator. And my, here we go. I think a little bit more of everything. And I will go back in there. Like I said, I think I'll go back in there anyway. Pretty sure. Let me see if I can find a smaller card. I got the perfect smaller card. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm beginning to learn how much is the right amount of paint. I do just like taking liberties with the edge of the card. I'm hoping that this isn't going to dry too dark, but seeming as I'm really interested to find out what happens if I lay down a second color. I'm going to do that. I was being called to the black. Oh, I think I eradicated my cells. No! There, I've got those back. Well, if I can't have my cells back, I'm going to put some gold in there. They are slowly coming up. Hey, I like that. I could do that some more. So let's use some more of that. Time to come down here. I think I want something in here, maybe some more white and or some more silver and or some more gold. You know it's coming. and some purple. Could have used some turquoise in there, I guess. I really like that blue. That's another thing I could have put in. I could have put some lighter blue in. I kind of figured that the white was going to help. Sometimes I want to go from the outside in, and I never do that. I wonder why not. I want to leave those funky cells in here. Use my card in between. Drag some paint down. Hope I don't ruin anything by doing so. It looks like reflections again, which is never a bad thing in my opinion. Steal a little paint from wherever I want. I could probably have a dish with some of this paint in it and dip into it and steal it also. So why not give it a try? I'm going to put a little bit of that neon purple that has a lot of iridescent pearl fine into it, added into it. Some of the dioxazine purple. Some of the amethyst from Artist Loft. Yeah. Let's put a little bit of that. This is the first time I've tried dipping and adding. I'm nervous. But I'm thinking I might like it a lot, so it's worth risking. It's basically just mark making. Maybe I should put a little white in there too. There's nothing really holding me back from adding whatever I want to this, which would maybe include some of this hot orchid because I can. Yeah, I think I like that. That's a big yes. I think that adds some real interest. Now it's not just plain hot orchid in the dish, it's all those other colors too. Oh, I'm having a good time. I really am. I'm thinking about doing it with the white. I'm not sure it's a good idea, but I'm thinking about it. Let's try it. I like that too. Yeah, creates a lot of interest. You don't have to put it all down there either. It can just be little tiny marks. Just have to not be a perfectionist. So there's nothing keeping me from doing that with any color I want. Just not entirely 100% certain I know what I'm doing because I'm doing it for the first time. I think I want some of that hot orchid right in there. It's a perfect time to do this with that hot orchid because the bottle is almost empty. That's nice. It's a composition, not just a swipe. I got a couple of blobs I might want to do something with. Drag them out somewhat. Blend them in a little bit. They always look like, these swipes always look like reflections to me. Okay, so I'm going to call it good and torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, just in case there are any. I don't usually think there are too many when you're swiping. That pink is probably going to dry a whole lot darker and be very subtle. So I should have put as much of it with the white as I possibly could have. I have 93,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, but almost none of them are ever here because I don't think you guys know that I'm posting, or everybody else is more compelling. But thank you to everybody who is here. Really appreciate you being here. That might be a little... Maybe I'll just match it up here. Yes, I enjoyed this. Thank you guys for joining me, and know I post 7 days a week, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night at 10 p.m. I'm not sure what time during the day. That changes quite frequently, according to the recommendation of vidIQ. Alright, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up. Watch my videos longer. That's the one thing that the algorithm knows to help me out. Although it is not working, and I am not sure how much longer I'm going to be here. But I have videos posted in advance for quite a while, so you won't miss me for long. And there's over 2,000 videos on playlists organized by topic and genre and by the 100. So you shouldn't have any problem finding something to entertain yourself or become inspired again if you watch it again. Thank you guys for all the wonderful comments and compliments and donations that help keep me going in this way, that way, and the other way for as many years as I've been here. I really appreciate you, and I love you dearly, and you inspire the heck out of me. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. If I'm around, I will answer them. If I'm not around, obviously, I can't. And since there's a possibility these videos will outlive me, that's kind of cool. So, my link tree is the first blue link under the video, and my email address is underneath the link tree when you click Show More. If you are interested in purchasing an artwork, clicking Show More and finding my email address is the way to contact me with the hashtag and file number in the video title. If you're interested in shopping on the link tree and finding some of my patterns, they're included on Le Gallerist, the top link, clothing, fashion clothing made in Montreal. They're also included on Teespring, which is now Spring Clothing, which is the clothing you can see under the video. And if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me. If you guys have questions, I think I said that, ask me. Looking for my Amazon link will find you my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and the OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Spatula, and all kinds of other stuff that's cool. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate that. Less expensive stuff on Spring, less all-over prints, but less expensive stuff also on fineartamericapixels.com. You can find those links on the link tree. You can also find the Shop Now button affiliated with them on the Facebook